Hey, what's up guys, Vic here with PhoneArena, and today we're testing the video recording quality of the new Galaxy S23 and how it compares to the Galaxy Z Flip 4. And let's walk and test out the video stabilization, just really quickly, just holding the phones in the hands, no special equipment, just walking to get a sense of the stabilization. And also let's just follow me around to see how these two phones adjust to the various exposure. Of course it changes if you point it towards the sky. Let's go here. Alright, let's switch to the ultra-wide camera, which is particularly useful for tight spaces like this one, like we're entering a tighter space. So if you follow me around, it's a bit darker here, so a bit more challenging for these phones, but still not too dark. So this is the ultra-wide camera. Alright, let's go back to the main camera now. So we're at 1x on the Flip 4 and the Galaxy S23. And next up, I'll step away and let's zoom, going to 3x zoom on the Galaxy S23 and 4x on the Galaxy Flip 4. Alright. And next up, let's go all the way to the maximum zoom level, which is 10 times zoom on both phones. Do you see any differences, and which one do you prefer? Of course, the Galaxy has that telephoto camera, so it should look better. Alright, and let's switch back to the main cameras. Alright, and let me know which one do you prefer, the Galaxy S23 or the Flip 4. Thanks for watching.